Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. What a crazy weather day we have unfolding in front of us. And I think a lot of us are going to be shocked not only by the temperature drop, but the potential of some wintry weather. Here's a current look. You can see what's going on. We're still unbelievably 55 in Charlotte, but it's already down to 46 in Concord, 47 right now in Lincolnton, but it's 39 in Statesville, 40 in Salisbury, 35 in Winston-Salem. Now, mind you, all of these locations were around 62 to 63 at midnight. So it's been a steady decline from there. And you can see this band of snow back to the northwest. I'm going to show you why that's important. I'm going to turn some of this stuff off briefly here. And we're going to throw the short-range models on there. This is something we call the HRR. It's the High Resolution Rapid Update Model. And it does a really good job in these short fuse type of events. But I want you to notice this band of precipitation back to the northwest. Snow or sleet likely. And again, blue is snow. Red is typically freezing rain. If you see orange, that's usually sleet. Now we're going to go into the afternoon. This is 1 o'clock. We'll go to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Okay, right around 5 o'clock, we start to see a wintry mix. And again, the timing's not very good for the evening rush. We've got snow to the north, ice and sleet mixing in across Charlotte, especially Interstate 40. Could see some huge impacts for the evening rush. Let's go to 6 o'clock. We've got some ice around. And then 7 o'clock, notice we've got some snow mixing in with some freezing rain and sleet. And my concern is, it's not that you're going to see a huge accumulation of these wintry precipitation types. It's really not the big deal. The impact is the dropping temperatures will flash freeze everything. And when you hear that term, flash freeze means rapid drop in temperature that freezes everything instantly. And even though the ground is warm, if you drop into the low 20s, it doesn't really matter how warm the ground is. Elevated surfaces especially could ice up quickly. And as we go into the evening, notice that snow band and sleet moves out of here, and by midnight it's gone. But by this time, the temperature's in the low 20s, maybe even upper teens. So let me back this up a little bit here, and we'll switch to temperatures, just to give you an idea how cold this is. Now, these are the 2-meter temperatures. This is near the surface. Now, you can see all the greens here. This is the front crossing the Charlotte area, but see this blue? Anywhere you see blue, that's the freezing line. So temperatures will be dropping below freezing. So let's start at noon. We'll go to 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay, notice we're starting to get some freezing up here, especially across Interstate 40. Let's go to 4 o'clock. This is why I think schools will be fine, because most of the schools are going to get out by this time, though. It'll be a close call, especially along Interstate 40. I think the roads will be okay. It's really this evening, the rush hour, I'm concerned about. Let's go to 5 o'clock. And you notice we start to get some freezing temperatures around Charlotte. This is the concern. 5 to 7 p.m. tonight. And by 6 o'clock, we've got some freezing temperatures around Mecklenburg County. And again, this is going to be kind of a quick freeze. So we could see elevated bridges, overpasses, that type of thing, ice up pretty quickly. And then we go towards 7 p.m. and you can see a lot of freezing temperatures, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, midnight. We'll stop it at midnight here. And by midnight, the temperature over Charlotte is about 28 degrees, but Salisbury, that's 22, and Greensboro, that's 20, with teens not too far away. So let's show you the radar. I showed you the precipitation type. We'll back this up again, and we'll go back to radar just to give you an idea. And remember, mind you, the temperatures are going to be falling with this band. So here, whoops, we'll go back here. Here's the precipitation. There we are. That's the backdoor front moving through with some rain, and we're getting it right now. And that right there, that's the front little band of showers. But up in here, again, you can see the precipitation moving in. That's likely sleet or freezing rain, and it looks like one of those deformation bands. You see right here, you see those bright areas? That's bright banding. That's likely sleet. I think sleet is going to be the primary precipitation type because the cold air is going to be thick enough, but there could be a quick burst between 5 and 7 p.m. And again, this is 7, that's 6, that's 5. You can see that band moving through. So something certainly could have a big impact on the evening rush, especially later this evening. And it's certainly something I'm going to watch carefully because everything is indicating this band is going to slide down in here. So look at that temperature drop from northeast to southwest with that backdoor front. I'll be on the air starting at 4 o'clock this afternoon. We'll break it all down for you. If you're at the office now or you're at home, just remember, the later you get this evening, temperatures are dropping. It doesn't matter if we get snow or sleet. Everything's wet right now. Flash freeze is our concern. Roads could get icy very quickly. And of course, you can follow me on Facebook or Twitter. I'll be tracking these cold temperatures as we go through the evening.